This engine was left here for years. Rain, wind, and seasons passed without mercy. Paint faded, steel weakened. What once carried energy and purpose now rests still, almost absorbed by the forest itself. To most, this would be nothing more than a relic, something to observe briefly and then leave behind. But what if it didn't end there? Restoration begins not with tools, but with imagination. Beneath the rust and decay, structure still exists. Strength has not completely disappeared. The process starts slowly. Dirt is washed away. Rust is exposed, then carefully removed. Each sound, scraping, brushing, rinsing, becomes part of a quiet rhythm. Piece by piece, the engine is reclaimed from nature. Surfaces are repaired. Metal regains form. What was rough becomes smooth again. Layers of decay give way to clean structure beneath. There is no rush. Machines forgotten for years deserve patience. As restoration continues, color returns. Fresh paint replaces corrosion. Details sharpen. The engine begins to resemble what it once was, not just a shape, but an identity. Inside, components are restored with care. Everything unnecessary is stripped away. Everything essential is brought back. And then, the silence changes. What once felt lifeless now feels ready. The engine stands clean, restored, and complete. No longer a forest relic, but a machine once again. Not as a memory, but as a possibility. This is not just about fixing metal. It's about imagining what can happen when something forgotten is given another chance. From the depths of the woods to a place of purpose, this restoration reminds us that even when nature tries to reclaim everything, patience and care can still bring life back.